everyone, it's Kelly from Kellie's Bead Boutique. So I've been doing a series of quick and easy earrings, and here's another installment. We're going to take some faux suede and some rivets and show you how to make a really cute pair of earrings. Come and join me. So today we're going to use some of our 1/4 inch faux suede. This one's got that nice sort of glittery finish on the front of it, which is beautiful. We're going to use a couple of decorative rings, a couple of open large jump rings, a pair of small open jump rings, some little tiny heart charms, a pair of ear wires, and we're going to use some rivets. We're going to use these little Tira cast rivets. We're also going to use a bench block, and I have a little puck under there just to kind of keep it a bit quiet. And I'm going to be using our leather hole punch today. So I'm also going to be using chain nose pliers and bent chain nose pliers and a pair of scissors and our plastic mallet. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my faux suede and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to take a marker and about 1/2 inch away or so, I'm going to make a little dot. I always like to make sure that I measure things before I cut them. So I'm going to take my leather punch, and I've got it on the smallest hole here. So I'm just going to go up there, give it a little punch. So now you can see that it has punched a hole, but it doesn't punch all the way through for the most part. So you just take a pair of round nose pliers, push it up inside, grab my cutters, and just kind of snip that off. So now I'm going to fold it in half, and I want that to be pretty exact. And I'm going to take my hole punch and I'm going to go through that hole again. So I want to punch a hole on the back side, give that a good punch, and repeat the process. Okay, so now you can see that I've got 2 holes that have been punched there. So I am going to take one of my decorative rings and I'm going to just slip it in here and just push it out of the way. So I'm going to get my bench block and I'm going to use one of my rivets. Now they have 2 parts. There's a male end and a female end. So I'm going to take the male end and I'm going to place it on my bench block, line up my holes, and place that on top. Now I'm going to take the female end and place that over top, and you can kind of just push it down. Now I'm just going to take a plastic mallet and I'm going to tap until it's stuck together. You can use a hammer, but it will change the finish on the front of it. It'll flatten it out versus leaving it domed. So now I'm going to pull that down. I'm going to take my large open jump ring, open that up and run that through the top and close that up nice and tight. And then I don't ever like that little split to show, so I'm just going to take that and pivot that around. Now I'm going to take one of my small jump rings, open that up, place it through my little heart charm, and attach it to my large decorative ring. And then I'm going to decide how long I want these. But before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open this up ever so slightly. I want it to have a little bit more dimension. I don't want those to be stacked on top of each other. So I'm going to just sort of eyeball it and have a look and see where I want to cut that. So just kind of line them up there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to pop my ear wire on. And close that up. And there we go. So I'm just going to repeat the process and I'll come back and show you. So there you go. Another pair of earrings in our quick and easy earring series. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.